Hey guys, Jared down here with Redwater Dodge.
Hey guys, it's Adrian here from Redwater Dodge.
And today we are going to be talking May promotions on the 2026 Ram 1500s, guys.
It is the month of May. We're having some exceptional discounts on our Warlock trucks.
Stellantis and all other dealers, they're going to be doing $6,500 off on 2026 Ram 1500 Tradesmans, Expresses, and Warlocks. $6,000 off on Bighorns, $8,250 on Sports and Rebels, and $11,500 off on Laramie's Limiteds, Longhorns, Tungstens, RHOs, all those guys. So
We're going to talk about the half tons today, like this beautiful tungsten behind me.
for us, we always want to be the best.
We are going to do up to $14,500 on select trucks, including the tungstens or the RHO even.
$9,000 off on Bighorns, guys. $9,500 off on Tradesman, Expresses, and Warlocks. $11,250 on our Sports and Rebels, and $14,500 off on Laramie's Limited, Longhorns, Tungstens, and RHOs. Alternatively, guys, without the discounts, we can get you guys on interest rates as low as 0% for up to 72 months on approved credit, guys.
So again, this is either or, so you can do 0% up to 72 months, or you can take the huge cash advance discount off the top of the price. This is going for all of our half tons for the rate, and of course we have up to $14,500 on select model trucks. For more information on the discounts and which trim levels are qualified for what,
Give us a call, 780-942-3629.